If you've ever used OneDrive's personal vault, you know it's a handy way to keep your most sensitive files extra secure. But what happens when you want to move files back out of the vault, maybe to reorganize, share, or just free up some coveted vault space? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through every step of safely moving files out of your personal vault in OneDrive on your computer. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to unlock the vault, transfer your files, and manage your secure storage like a pro. Let's get started. First things first, we need to unlock that personal vault. If you're on Windows, you'll open File Explorer. If you're on a Mac, open Finder. Look for your OneDrive folder. Usually, it'll be on the left sidebar marked with a little cloud icon. Inside, you'll see the personal vault icon. It looks like a safe with a little lock on it. Go ahead and double-click that. Now here, where OneDrive's extra security shines, you'll need to authenticate yourself. Depending on your setup, this could mean entering your PIN, scanning your fingerprint, or popping in a two-factor authentication code from your phone. Don't worry if it takes a moment. This step is what keeps your sensitive files locked up tight, and it only takes a few seconds. With the vault unlocked, you're looking at your protected files and folders. Now take a moment to spot the items you want to move out. You can select a single file, or if you have several, hold down the Control key on Windows or CMD key on Mac while you click to highlight multiple files. Maybe you're removing an old tax return or some scanned IDs you no longer need in the vault. It's important to get this part right, so double-check your selections before moving on. Now let's move those files. You have a couple of options here, so pick whichever feels most intuitive for you. The first way is a simple drag and drop. Click and hold on your selection and literally drag those files out of the vault window. Try moving them to a regular OneDrive folder or straight onto your desktop. Let go of the mouse and voila, they're out. If that feels awkward, you can also use the good old cut and paste method. Right-click your selection and hit cut, or you can use keyboard shortcuts. Ctrl+X on Windows or CMD+X on Mac. Then navigate to your destination folder, right-click again and select paste, or hit Ctrl+V or CMD+V. Both methods get the job done, so use whatever you're most comfortable with. Sometimes people worry they'll lose the files if they mess up this step. Don't panic. The files don't actually disappear until they're safely out of the vault and into the new location. Now that your files are moved, take a moment to double-check. Open the new location to make sure everything transferred correctly and isn't locked by the vault anymore. At this point, your files are just like any other file in OneDrive. They're easy to access, easy to share, and of course, not under that extra vault protection. So be mindful of where you put those sensitive documents next. One little tip, if you're using the free version of OneDrive, you can only keep up to 3 files in your personal vault at a time. By moving files out, you free up space to store new important documents. Think of it like cleaning out a safety deposit box. Only keep the most valuable items locked away and rotate them out as needed. And just like that, you've managed your personal vault like a pro. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you hit a snag, drop a comment below. I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.